Hello everyone, you are welcome to my video on Galileo training today. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing. Today I want to teach us a complete steps to make a reservation on Galileo. If you are the one that needs to learn how to make a reservation, how to know how to complete a reservation on Galileo Travelport, this video is for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Watch over and over again so you can be acquainted to its steps. Thank you very much. So I'm going to show us how to make a complete reservation on Galileo from scratch to beginning. How to make a booking on Galileo, as we all call it. So now, step one is how to display availability. If you don't know how to display availability, please check my previous videos. You're going to find it there, but I'm going to show you here right now. Okay, the step one is A. A means availability display. So now the date the customer wants to travel, 29th of December, from where? From Abuja to where? The customer is traveling to Addis Ababa via Ethiopia airline. You see asterisk, Ethiopia airline. So start step one, how to display availability. Okay, as you can see, we have line 1, line 2, line 1 straight, line 2 is not going straight, it's going through Lome. Line 4 is not going there too. So the best is line 1, as you can see it. So now let's sell the cheapest. Okay, let's go for Oscar. All right. Okay, let's go for. I like picking the full cabin, the class in the full cabin. So it's when I'm checking for the cheapest, and I can now go to get the lowest one. So now need one, Yankee 1. In this place, we don't need to put asterisk because it's just a straight flight. So we're gonna enter it. Step 2 is this is step 2. Need is to pick the seat. Need 1 passenger, the class line 1. The first one here is the number of passengers I'm going to put. Need 1 passenger, class economy line 1. That's what I just did now. So the system is going to display for us the result. So this is the result now. Abuja to Addis Ababa, Ethiopia flight number, the class, the date of travel, Abuja to Addis Ababa. This is the confirmed person, the time of departure and time of arrival. As you can see here, the date is Monday. So now to display the step 2, which is to display the return, we're gonna put this is step 3, availability for return. So we're gonna display 20th of February from Addis Ababa to Abuja. Asterisk ET. So I'm waiting for the system. Okay, so this is the result. We will have line 1 and line 2, which is the best. This line 3 is not the best, so we're gonna pick from line 1 and line 2. So now, but let's pick from line 1. We're gonna pick this as well. So need 1. So step 4 now is to pick the seat. Need 1 passenger, economy class, line 1. Enter. As you can see, now we have picked the return, availability, waiting for the system respond. Okay, now system has responded. So this is the return here. As you can see it, this is it. So to return on Friday, going on Monday. So now let's see, we are going to do the next step is to insert the passenger name. That's step 5. To insert the passenger name, the entry is name entry dot the passenger surname Peter / Musa Mr. As you can see it. So we enter it. In Galileo, whatever you are doing, If you don't, if you did come out, if this asterisk does not show after your entry, that's from name downward, it means what you did, what you have done, did not successful. So that's line. This is step 5. So step 6 now. The next step now. This next step is to display, to insert the phone number. There are 2 ways to do that, or there are 3 ways to do that. There are 3 ways to actually is to put the phone for the contact of the agency. The first step is papa dot. This is the where the person is put this asterisk. You can type the whatever about the, as you can see, this is first step. The second step is p dot t asterisk the phone number 070 asterisk the phone number. Then the last step, the third step, very simple. You're going to just use Charlie Mike slash. This one in comparison of you setting the system to pick the best for you, so you enter this. Let's use this one. As you can see, we are seeing the asterisk here. So the next step is inserting the ticketing time limit. This one too, there are 2 steps. There are 2 ways to go about it. The next one, the first one is tango slash this, then slash the date you want to use, depending on what you did here. So let's say you want to pay on 28th of December. You can put time if you want to. This is first step. Another one, a simple way, just do t.t asterisk. This is another way too. So if you need any ways to go about all this, it's in this video. Just go ahead and check it. As you can see, there's an asterisk here, which means the system has accepted. If the system does not accept you, you will not see asterisk here. So the next step now is to reference and end it. Your R dot, the person making the booking, his full name or his name, and use it like this so you can know who did it. As you can see, you're going to see that again. As you can see, the system has accepted. So we're going to do the last, which is end transaction. Is either you do this, or you do IR, or you do IR. Anyone. IR will ignore, end and ignore. End and ignore it. Why? The other one will end the transaction. ER, as you can see. So you enter it. So now the system is going to display the PNR that we have finished this booking. This is the steps, the various steps you need to complete a booking, a reservation in Galileo Travelport. As you can see, the IR is finishing the process of booking. As you can see, successful. This is the PNR. This is our booking. This is the PNR, as you can see. So this is the ID that did this, and this is the booking. Very simple to make the reservation in Galileo. Very, very simple, as you can see. Very simple. So thank you for watching this video. I just made this video very short so that we can know. It's my student that requested me to send this, to do this earlier, because he or she needs to learn about this. That's why I did do this earlier. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to this video and like this video. Thank you very much. Watch this video over to know how to do the booking in the Galileo Travelport. Thank you very much. See you next class.